Hello, my name is John Genitazio. I'm shooting this video to help you guys with your online presence, some tips and tricks so you can bring in some more business. Without further ado, I'll get right into it. So there's three things that account for to helping you with your online presence. So it's content, citations, and backlinks. I'll explain those as I go along. But content is everything that's on your website, word related, and pictures and what they're saved as. Google likes to see 1,500 to 2,000 words throughout your home page and about 500 plus on back pages. The reason why is so that you can fit keywords throughout your website without spamming them. Keyword would be something like air duct cleaning Troy, air duct cleaning Oakland, stuff like that. So you want to fit those throughout your website, multiple locations throughout the content. 1,500 to 2,000 words is what Google likes, so that's what we always do. The key is to also do more than what your competition is doing. So if they're doing 2,000 words, then you do 2,500 words. You always want to beat your competition in everything you're doing with the words. Second is backlinks. Backlinks is a mention of your website inside of another powerful website. So for example, I always like to use Wikipedia as an example because everyone knows who they are. They have lots of content and they have all those blue things that you click and they go to other people. Those are backlinks. So that's why Google always shows Wikipedia at the top when you search something. It's because of all the content and backlinks. So again, it's just a mention of your website inside of another trusted website. Not all backlinks are created equal, obviously. So you can't put your place inside of like Pizza Hut because Google reads that. They read the URL up here and they see Ventcorp and then they see Pizza Hut and they're like, okay, they're not related. So that's why it's important to get inside of relevant places such as other heating and cooling places, other HVAC, things with like handyman, places like that. That's going to get you in the organic section down here, which is these right here. That's where 80% of people click here in the map pack. The map pack is, the way you get there is by citations, which is your name, address, and phone number listed throughout directories, which are like Yellow Pages, Yelp, anything like that. It doesn't have to be those, but those are the most powerful ones. So you have to go and you see how many that your competitors are having, and then you do every single one they're doing, just plus more. That will get you in the top 3 here, which is where almost everyone clicks, especially for services like yours. People want it right away usually, so they click the top 3. And another thing that's super important is reviews. You want to get as many reviews as you possibly can because it helps with your click rate. As you can see, of these 3 here, I'm sure almost everyone clicks the Royal Oak Heating because they have 443 reviews and they've been in business for 70 years. And you click them and they have a nice website. So between all those 3 things, they're the most desirable people. They look the most professional. So that's why it's important to have the reviews and a nice looking website. So content, backlinks, and citations is the huge key to everything with your online presence. I have this tool called Ahrefs. It buys data from Google and it shows you exactly what's going on inside your website. So you have 107 keywords, which is bringing you 4 people a month traffic. Here are some of your keywords that you're ranking for. So duct cleaning howl, you're in 10th position, which is the very bottom of the first page. And for all these other keywords, such as like dry vent cleaning howl, you're on the 17th, which is the middle of the second page, which means you're pretty much non-existent on Google because nobody goes to the second page of Google. So it's very important to have relevant keywords that people are searching throughout your website with the content. So you have 57 referring domains, which is bringing you 139 backlinks, which I said was your mention of your website instead of other websites and blog posts. So if you know these guys, Andy Statewide, they do everything you do. They have lots of content on your website, as you can see. They're doing all that very well. And they are bringing in 679 people a month with 105 keywords, 118 referring domains, and 770 backlinks. So you have 139 and they have 770. So it's a pretty big difference. And as you can see, they're bringing in all this traffic. And here's another one, furnace heating and cooling service. They are bringing in 416. And then Safety King, I'm sure you know these guys, they're pretty much the biggest around. They are bringing in 1,100. This is just a tool, so it's not 100% accurate. It's like the very base. So it can actually be up to 10 times the amount here. So they could be bringing in a lot more than that. This tool is not 100% accurate, but it can get the very base at least. So you're bringing in 4 minimum. You could be bringing a little bit more, but as you can see, these guys are bringing in quite a bit more. And if you implant those strategies I just said, you could bring in the combination of all these people actually, because it depends on your service area. You just do more service areas, more keywords, you'll bring in more people. So you can take these tips and tricks and implant them yourself, or you can reach back out to me. I'll leave my contact info in the email, and we could plan something out. But hope you like it. Have a great day.